Yo, 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 yo. Whoa. Good, what's good, what's good? All right. Checking out that.
Je veux que tu saches.
What is going on with US 30 right now, guys? What is going on with US 30? It's like it's about to take off. Yo. Yo, yo, yo. Trying to do an audio check here. All right. I guess it's okay.
Réponds, dis-moi que ça va.
Is that music too loud? Seems like it may be. Bring it down a bit. Let's see how that works. And it's like it sounds like I'm like talking through a mask or something like right now. So we're gonna see if this audio doesn't work. Yeah, I'm not liking the audio quality. Let's see. Charts going in the background. And we're looking at US 30 like it's about to take off over here, but having a few technical difficulties. Might have to switch up our audio input. I don't think you guys can hear me. Sounds like I'm mumbling.
Yo. I think that sounds better, man. Might be a little bit of an echo in the background, but I think it sounds better. Sounds clear. Yeah, so we just gonna rock with it like that. For now. Let's see. Put this bad boy right in my face here. All right. Yeah, so we just had to do all the the pre-streaming troubleshooting. But I think we got there. What's going on, guys? What's going on, people? How these charts been treating y'all? Bitcoin had sort of a weird day yesterday where it decided it wanted to uh, retrace and give us all better entries. Thanks, Bitcoin. We appreciate it. A lot of people panicked at this drop that happened yesterday. I even went stream yesterday. I even went live yesterday. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of trolling a little bit there with saying Bitcoin down to 38,000. Bitcoin down to 38,000. Yeah, no, that's probably not gonna happen. I mean, if you can analyze and see, man, maybe that's possible, but you have to go out to the daily chart here, and 38,000 would be right over in, where's my crosshair? Let's just put this up. 38,000 would be right over in this area, man. So yeah, no, if a Bitcoin retraced that far, man, something major happened. We've seen a retracement like that before here when it dropped from 41,000 all the way down to what was it, 29? Yeah, that was sick. That was a disgusting drop. But it's possible, right? It's possible. And a lot of people were looking at yesterday's activity and thinking that it was going to be a big drop or a big dip, like what happened here back in January. All right, it was January 1st. As soon as the year began, right? That's a heck of a way to start 2021. Yeah, but from January 1st all the way over to, from January 7th or 8th all the way over to January 22nd, man, that was, bearish, lots of bearish energy in the markets, which really set up for great entries. If you got in around 30,000 or 38 or 32,000, I'm sorry, on Bitcoin, man, you are set up. You're probably going to be in the green forever, unless we get some crazy bearish move down to break the levels that have been established at 41,000. It's not going to happen. Anything is possible in the markets, but right now it's not going to happen. This level is not going to get broken here. So let's take a look, see at some other pairs, and get off of this daily chart, because it's definitely not how we analyze. What's been going on in the crypto news space here? So what kind of ideas we got floating around on Trading Views ideas section for Bitcoin? Rocket Bomb here. Hello friends, I hope you are waiting for my updates because I'm hurrying up to share with you my vision of future price movement of Bitcoin. On the left side, you can see very similar rising wedges. Let's take a look at this. As you saying, we've had this action before, so we're going to probably have the same action come again. Interesting. So she's basically saying what I just said, man. She's saying that back at 19,000 on Bitcoin, it dropped all the way down to 16,000, about 3,000 points. It's feeling like maybe Bitcoin's gonna do the same thing as it rejects off the 50,000 point that it just sort of attempted to reach. Right now, I believe that Bitcoin is going to 50,000 and it may break to at least 50,50 or 50,500, which is, not outlandish. It's not an outlandish move. Let's see what's been going on with the tweets here. Whoa, looks like my mic just slowly declined there. It's just like slowly falling. Wow. Let's see. But yeah, so let's go to Google for a second. Elon tweets. Okay. Yesterday, Elon Musk tweeted, if major Dogecoin holders sell most of their coins, it will get my full support. Too much concentration is the only real issue here. I mean, if you got pieces of Dogecoin, you're loving the, damn, what happened here? Let's see, we're having some technical difficulties. Yeah, but, well, hold on one second. Okay. All right. So yeah, like I was saying, if you own Dogecoin right now, you are really loving Elon's involvement. Basically, what he's saying is that if he can see that some of the major big shareholders, the majority holders on Dogecoin, once he sees that they release some of their holdings power, he'll get involved. He says right now it's too concentrated. Its trajectory is too strong, and he would like to see more of a more realistic curve in the growth of Dogecoin. And with that, he'd like to see some of the major Dogecoin holders releasing some of those positions they hold. Let's go over to Robinhood. Oh, really? We're gonna have to sign in here, guys. So, gonna make sure you guys aren't able to witness that. Be right back. So yeah, that was effortless. Yeah. So and if we're looking over here at Doji, let's go straight to Doge. It's got small investments running right now. Doji. Doji is sitting down at a pretty low point, at 50 or 0.05. So it's like 5.5 cents, right over at 5.7 cents, man. Earlier this week, it reached highs almost near 10 cents, and now it's about halfway down there. So it's looking like the Doge is moving in the right direction for Elon Musk to grab hold. I mean, it's interesting because we all know, or maybe you don't know, but the Doge was created to be a joke crypto coin or cryptocurrency. It was created to sort of make fun of cryptocurrencies and all the madness that was going on around them. And Elon has sort of been playing with our minds a little bit there with crypto, because at this point it seems like he's got really serious talks about getting involved with Dogecoin, with his Boring company and with his Tesla company, as far as accepting payments on those outlets goes. So that's very, very interesting. And what that would do, that would skyrocket Dogecoin, potentially. You've heard the term Doge to the moon, but what we want to see is Doge get to $1 on here, and if that happens, if it even gets to about 50 cents, that's going to be really major. for the potential outlook on what Bitcoin can do, what other cryptocurrencies will be able to do if backed by strong companies. You know, I mean, picture if Honda per se, you know, came out and said, "Hey, we can," or Apple, you know, "Hey, we'll let you buy your Apple products with Doge, you know, with Bitcoin." Oh man, right? What would that do to crypto? What would that do to Bitcoin? You know, things would take off. So yeah, you know, this Bitcoin space that we're in right now is a really interesting space to be in. It's really interesting. I love it actually. So let's see. All right. So we're gonna step away from this here for a second, and we're gonna go back into our MetaTrader. We're looking at US30. US30 sort of turned around here on us. It looks like it did not want to try and get back into the range of yesterday's London, New York sessions. Didn't want to play around with that range. It wanted to break right on out, and it broke those highs here above these highs here, or yesterday's highs at the price point around 31,670. At about 31,670, looks like US30 has decided to move on up, or I'm sorry, 31,670. It's all the way it's up at 31,700 now. It's looking extremely strong in the bullish direction for continuation, for just to continue on up today. This point, we might see this index. Let me break this down a little bit here. Yeah, we might see this index sort of taper off here. Might see something like green candle. Man, this is just not as easy to edit with this trader view. I can completely see why people like to edit on other platforms. Yeah, but we can just see it sort of forming candles sideways here at some point, probably going all the way up to 32 and then rejecting from that level. So we'll put a point at 32 because that is a really good even number. Ooh, wow, 32 is pretty high up there. That may have been too nice a projection. Yeah, no, it's not going to 3,200 today. How about 38 or 31.8? Yeah, that sounds more reasonable. So we'll see this thing at 31.8. Maybe. That's still a huge move. It's Tuesday, man. Anything can happen. It's been a very calm week so far, and calm weeks are always met by interesting news. Looks like we got some information on Bitcoin coming through right now that we probably want to pay attention to. A level at a good buying level here on Bitcoin here. Yeah, we got a indication to continue. So hold on to your horses, guys. Bitcoin may take off here. We're gonna see if it breaks this high here. And excuse all my lines here. It was sort of drawing out levels yesterday, simple levels. But this is the next level to break. This level here. I'm gonna highlight it purple. That'll be the high to break. With this level here sort of being the entry of that little range there. So we want to see it get into this range and break above it. Right in there. That's where it's headed. Okay. Inside of there, it could start to bounce and then pull back. Okay. So we just got to pay attention to that, because we're still sticking to our everyday plan, and the plan is always to wait for candles to close above our areas of resistance and for them to close below our areas of support. And once that happens, we're going to get continuations in those directions. Very simple strategy. The hardest part about the strategy for most people is the patience and waiting for that setup to actually come to you. We see certain indicators that pop up and alerts on our charts, and we say, oh, it's time to buy, it's time to sell. Wait for the candle to close. When candles close, that's your time. You don't want to really be getting into trades in the middle of candles, because that's when people get hurt. Lots of times people wonder, why did I get in this trade? And as soon as I got in this trade, it turned around. And we're not looking at the clock. You're not paying attention to what time you're entering the trades. Because if you're not paying attention to, oh, it's 7:32, right? Or it's 6:59, right? And you got in a trade, and then all of a sudden, where it was, it's not there no more, because candles like to close with wicks. And if you've seen a strong bullish move on a candle, and you're thinking continuation is going to continue to run, right? Well, it's the end of the hour, and for the last 2 or 3 minutes of that hour, it's going to just retrace. It's going to pull back to create that wick to give room for continuation, because a candle with no wick is showing you that it does not have anywhere else to go in that direction. Okay, so if you're not paying attention to the clock and you're not noticing that, hey man, it is the top of the hour, or the end of the hour, this candle's about to close, and you just hopped in because you had a feeling, you can get burned, and you can sit in drawdown for unnecessary amounts of time, waiting for your trade to get back in the right position, when all you had to do was be patient. So let's just be patient today. We're going to be patient today in this Asian session, waiting for markets to show us what we need. It is February the 15th. What's been happening this week? An interesting week, huh? Interesting week. Remember, guys, if you can read this scrolling marquee on the bottom of the screen, or if you're going to be entering trades, do not enter trades based on anyone's analysis but yourself. This live stream is meant to be educational, entertaining, and just otherwise used for training. It should not be used as trading advice or position advice on when to get in and get out of trades. Those decisions should be made completely up to you, because after all, it is your capital at risk. So trade cautiously, and always do your own analysis. Do your own analysis. All right. So we're on 5-minute charts here, 5-minute candles. Let's go up a little bit here at 15. This definitely looks like it's about to retest the high here. That would be if you were, no one should enter this or try to capture these right now, but it's probably going to be a nice 17-point move, or 17,000 point move, or however you refer to the pips on Bitcoin. All right. Let's take a look at S&P 500. It's doing the same thing as US 30 here. Moving very nice. Very nice. Man, those those look almost identical, don't they? Almost identical. What do you do with something like that, huh? CFO. See if we can get some company here. Where's the trade, guys? I mean, in theory, we could enter here. See what's going over here on this other chart here. Looking for some interesting news. Did anything happen here today with the cryptocurrency? Another interesting article I saw was the creator of the Doge, the guy who built Dogecoin to be sort of a parody on other coins. He made a statement, man, recently, just thinking about how ridiculous it was to him that his coin was actually being talked about as if it could actually reach $1 in value. His mentality on that, he was thinking, he says it's absolutely ridiculous that a coin, or it's not ridiculous, but it's just sort of unfathomable to him that a coin that he created to sort of mimic the currency, the cryptocurrency industry, is being talked about and is being sort of propped up to potentially have more capital value than actual businesses such as bowling. If Dogecoin gets to get to $1, it's essentially going to have more capital value than a bowling company, 3M, actual companies that produce goods, that pay employees, that contribute dollars, to the country. The Dogecoin could potentially have more value than that, and the creator of the coin is saying that he's having a hard time wrapping his mind around that concept for something that he created simply to be a parody. But the talks that are going on around these Reddit groups that are going on, and Elon Musk tweets, and just all the potential that's being sort of to support Dogecoin, is giving it so much authority in the industry, when even the creator didn't think that it had the potential that it has, and it wasn't created to have any potential. Has Nigeria banned cryptocurrencies, and why? Very interesting. Very interesting. Mixed reactions trails CBN's ban on cryptocurrencies in Nigeria. Why would they ban the cryptocurrencies in Nigeria? Whoa. Let's take a look. I'm not sure if we're able to hear. Let's start this over. I need to hear this. Interesting. So it seems like they're basically seem like they might be simply just afraid of the cryptocurrency and the fact that it was sort of created for use in underground networks and black markets, and they don't know where the crypto is occurring from and who's sort of supporting the currency. So they said that it's just unsafe because it's unknown. Interesting. Of course, it can be traded. Can of course be traded. I think in Nigeria they're saying they just have limits on the ways that you can purchase it. Mm. There's always fear. There's always doubt. So, what's new there? Whoa. GJ is taking off. GJ is absolutely gone right now. Oh man. 147, huh? What? GJ has shot up 200 points since the last time I took a look at it. That's crazy. We were here, I believe. The last time we looked at GJ, we were drawing levels of resistance here. Right at 145, and it has not turned around yet. Beautiful. Beautiful. How far will GJ go, guys? GJ will go. GJ will go. To 148. Yeah. GJ will go to 148. Let's see. So, essentially here we're just waiting for GJ to give us some kind of retest for entries. This was the retest here, and this was the retest here. So if it gives you a retest, looks like it's gonna be within one 15-minute or 30-minute candle, and that's your chance. You know, you might have to look, see right here. This may be our chance here. So when we see this break out and break above, that may be it. Everyone gets nervous, right, when it comes to breaking or breakout moves that are entering territories that it has never been in before. And everyone wants to sell this right now. Everyone wants to sell this, but them doing that creates so much movement on the opposite end. Positions to be sold. Well, I'm gonna keep that little thought in my head. It might not make quite make sense right now, but we could see this going up. That's a very strong bullish candle on the 4-hour chart, and we don't want to test our luck here because we may have essentially missed the move. Yeah, but on the 5, we'll take a look in and we'll see what happens. If it breaks above, we will possibly continue. Let's take a look and see what it's gonna do. All right, the Nigerian news, interesting. I was on a website the other day, and I can't remember the name of it. Crypto news today, maybe. Yeah, CoinDesk. CoinDesk has been doing some really good reporting on cryptocurrencies the past week or two. I only say the past week or two because it's actually a pretty new news outlet here, and they've only been operating for maybe the past week or two, but they are looking really good. A lot of information. Lots of information. Let's see these opinions here. Opinion. Money reimagined. Musk masters the attention economy. Bitcoin's recent surge shows the power of celebrity and how, like it or not, influencers create value in the modern economy. Cryptocurrency regulations. Crypto long and short. What does Dogecoin have to do with government bans? The combined forces of passionate communities with potent tools and the deepening involvement of institutions make successful bans less likely. Building black wealth with the Satoshis and Cash App. Whoa, that sounds like a heck of a topic. I'm gonna take a look at this here. For decades, the financial system has been rigged against blacks. Wow. Today, there is an alternative that removes barriers to wealth creation. Let's see what you had to say, Ian Gaines. This looks like a very interesting headline. In an environment that is proving less secure over time, we are giving more thought to the preservation and proper allocation of our wealth. But how does one participate in a system that continues to advantage people who are positioned nearest to the financial nucleus? How do you participate when, without apology or consequence, they can shut off a game they are inconveniently losing? How is this possible, and why is it the only system we are allowed to opt into if we want to generate wealth for our families? Bitcoin is the answer that allows all individuals anywhere on earth the freedom to validate themselves. Okay. Yeah, we're going to read into that a little bit later, man. We're definitely going to read into that a little bit later. Sounds like an interesting headline. And Bitcoin continuing to... Yeah, it looks like it may have just rejected that area. So yeah, so this is why we wait. As we see, we were looking at Bitcoin for entry here if it came above, and now we're showing more red, more bearish momentum or energy on the 5-minute chart. So this could be the retest that we're looking for, the big retest in the higher time frames, not this 5-minute retest. We really want to see a good retest before we find entries after this big strong move up. Okay. The market's moving a lot today, guys. The big thing we want to share in the streams today is that everyone should make sure that they are being safe with their account sizes. Okay. Interesting little chart I put together here. Pretty simple chart. Only edit the yellow fills here. Growth weight of, initial deposit of $1,000 with goals to grow your account 10% per period. Periods can be a week, it can be a day, it can be per trade. I've got a period counter here. We've got this chart set up to go to 90 periods, and with the highlight at 52 periods in case you want to count weeks. Over here with and it actually adjusts to your pip needs. All right, so 10% stays the same, $1,000 stays the same, but your lot size will change if you change how many pips you're actually going for, right? So the lot size you would need to do this to grow 10% in one move in 20 pips would be 0.5 lot. All right. Plan on doing it in 5 pips. You're gonna need 2 standard lots. All right. It's a really good chart. Really easy to read chart here. So to put this thing together, just after getting frustrated with having to flip through so many calculators, the calculators are not that necessary. If you get a simple basic understanding of pip growth and of growth rates for your account, you can keep it simple. We don't have to be specific exactly to know exactly how much money you're going to get for 5 pips. It's mathematical, it's simple. So, this is simple math for any kind of US pair. It will change slightly if you're doing like GJ or something because the exchange rate there. But generally, this math works across all pairs. All right. So a lot of people are asking, like, man, how many pips should we go for? And what kind of growth rate is good for us to grow our accounts? It all depends on your level of patience, right? Because if we are extremely patient, meaning you're not trying to make $1 million in a week or a year from $1,000, right? Which is ridiculous because you would never be able to make $1 million from $1,000 in any other industry unless you are flipping houses and you flipped, 20 of them. And that's not easy money, and that's not quick money. To flip 20 houses, that's about, if you're going hard, dude, that's at least 5 years minimum. That's at least five years minimum. So, that's not quick money at all. So, but if you were able to turn 1,000 to 1 million, knowing that you've got 5 years, then you could have a smaller growth rate goal. All right. So 5%. I like 5%. I like anything at or around 5% because 5% is like no pressure. It's pretty easy to achieve. It's not going to make you feel like you're losing money once you go into drawdown. You're not going to get overwhelmed with it. Pip needs, let's see, you go do 5% and 10 pips. Really easy lot sizes. $1,000 account, 5% per trade. That's a $50 trade. If you got a $1,000 account, you can. I mean, come on, that's not hard. That's not difficult, right? Difficulty comes when you aren't setting your stop losses. You're letting your margin get called. You're over leveraging your account. You're going full margin on trades because they look better than the last trade. So that's the type of stuff that makes, the easy trading more difficult. All right. So this is a really good chart. Feel free to leave a comment or DM me about this chart here, and it's absolutely free, man. I would love to send it to you. Absolutely free. Free charts. All right. What is going on with Bitcoin? And let's go back over here and take a look at what's happening on GJ. GJ losing some steam here. Losing some steam. And this could be the retestment once again, like I said. This could be their retest. Guys, no trade entries here today. It's been a very cautious week. Lots going on, and best way to not lose during an area of madness is to just not place a trade. When you're not sure, or if you miss moves, hey, more moves will come, guaranteed. So there's no reason to rush it. Okay. It's pushing on 8 o'clock here, and we normally go on for about an hour from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. every night Central Time. So we may miss a night here or there. But generally we're going to be on every night at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, going over charts, looking at some price action, talking about some news, talking about some other things going on these charts. Yeah. I'm gonna play something for you guys before we leave here today. Something that really put a big smile on my face, man. Funny, funny, funny. Let's see. Oh man. Hey. Let's see, let's see. Yeah. Why is it not playing? I just realized it's not playing audio. Dang. I don't know how to change that, man. Yeah, I just realized it wasn't playing, y'all. Dang. That's a bust. Let's see. Oh, you know what? It might have been.
What we gotta do then, man? All you gotta do is download Robinhood app, man. Then you put some money on there. Then you gotta, oh man, I should have bought some more. I should have bought some more shares. And then what, man? What do I do after I get that? Put your money in GameStop, AMC, and you just sit back and watch the money rise, bro. You good after that? Oh my goodness, I don't believe this. I'm rich. Ooh. Hey, bro, what you talking about? Hold on. I got my diamond hand. Ooh, there we go. Ooh, diamond hand? What are you talking about, man? The stock market, man. You ain't heard, man. Them mugs shooting up, bro. This GME, GameStop, man. This going to the moon, bro. All you gotta do is put your money in there, guarantee double it, triple it, quadruple it. Hold on, slow down, man. What the hell are you talking about, man? Hold on. We're going to the moon. Hold on. Oh my goodness, I just made $10,000 in 4 seconds. Oh my goodness, hey bro, this mug just shooting up. Like it's crazy, bro. Hey, you better get in this. This has never happened before, man. Oh, this is like free money, man. You better get down with it. What we gotta do then, man? All you gotta do is download Robinhood app, man. Then you put some money on there. Then you gotta, hold on. Oh man, I should have bought some more. I should have bought some more shares. And then what, man? What do I do after I get that? Put your money in GameStop, AMC, and you just sit back and watch the money rise, bro. You good after that? You gotta know anything about the stock market? Who the hell is that? Nah, bro, you ain't gotta know nothing. You know how to count, right? That's all you need to know is how to count, bro. Well, all right, I'm gonna check it out. Good looking out, man. Appreciate that. No problem, my brother. Ooh, to the moon. Here we go. This might be the short squeeze. Ooh. Let me go grab my phone. Hey, OG, there go that man right here. Look at him. Here he go. What's up? We at the moon. What's up, bro? Damn, check out the drip. Okay, I see you. Gucci, Louis, Prada, you know. Bruh, whose car is this? Mine's thanks to you. Huh? Thanks to me. That GameStop. Oh, what? You got the GameStop? Bro, I'm like a stock guru out here now, man. Been looking up some Chris Sane videos, you know what I'm saying? I found out, you know, when they put rocket emojis, that mean that mug going up. Oh, yeah, and I got that doggy coin. You mean Doge? The what? The doggy? What? So you got your money already? No, my mama co-signed for this car. Told her I'll pay her when the check comes. That's a $300,000 car, man. You must have bought a lot of shares. I mean, I only had $500, but I met this chick named Margie on there. She gave me $300,000, homie. She was feeling me. Margie? You mean Margin? Oh, you know her, man? I knew she was a thought. No, bro. No, margin is borrowed money from a broker, man. You got to pay all that back with interest, man. So how much did you sell your stock for anyway? Sell my stock? What you talking about? Hold on. You know you got to sell the stock to get the money, right? You said buy it and watch the money go up. Yeah, but then you got to sell it with, you know, you got to take profit. You know what take profit is? No? Oh, you don't know anything about the stock market? Take profit, stop loss? None of that? You don't know none of... Did you check the price of the stock lately? It dipped and it went down. A lot of people take a profit. Yo, what is this negative sign next to this 150,000? Why is it red? Yesterday it was green. That means you're down 150,000, man. Hey, OG, your stuff still to the moon? You still got rocket emojis on there? Yup, and I got the emoji with the dollar sign on the tongue. The emojis don't mean nothing, man. It don't mean nothing. Well, did you get some money? Did you profitability or whatever you said? Yeah, I took profit. The dip triggered my stop loss and automatically. The what? The who triggered what? But speak English, man. You don't know what I'm talking about? When I delete the app, I better get a refund. Deleting is not gonna matter, man. You still gonna owe the money. It was a pump and dump stock, man. You supposed to pump it, then you sell when you get to the top, man. All right. You gotta do your research, your due diligence. You heard the DD or a bubble? You know what a bubble is? I know what a pistol is. Hootie hoo! Hey, OG, go grab the glizzy. On the game. I'm about to take this car back to the dealership. You better not be here when I get back. Oh no! Oh no! Look at my door. Look at that door. This ain't even my car no more. Oh! I'm gonna have to pay for this. I don't have no money though. Oh no! My mama gotta pay for this. Oh my goodness. Oh, somebody gonna die. Somebody gonna die. Hey, no, hey, bro, you paying for this. What? Oh my goodness, I don't believe.
All right. Guys, we checking out tonight, man. I just had to get that good laugh out with you guys. Appreciate everybody for stopping in tonight. Hanging with your boy. Streaming software I use is Streamlabs OBS. Free downloads on streamlabs.com. Check it out, man. If anybody's interested in streaming, hey, it's free. Why not, right? Yeah. All right, that's it. Once again, I want to say thank you guys for checking in with us, and we out.